January 5th, 2021 vocabulary. Directions. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not a unit rate. All right, so remember, unit rate means something over 1. Unit rate, remember, a denominator of 1, a rate per 1 unit. So let's see, we have 30 miles per hour. Good, that's just 1. 2 people per table, so that's also just 1. We can also take a look here, 35 miles for 1 hour. Yes, there's a 1 in our denominator there. 2 people for 1 table. Yep, we have our 1 in our denominator there. All right, this one, 9 books for 3 people. 9 books for 3 people. Is that a unit rate? Does that have a 1 in our denominator? No, it does not. So we are going to drag that X over this one. Let's go ahead and double check for, I think that's where we are. We're going to double check our last one. So 24 crayons per box. So 24 crayons per box. There we go. 24 crayon. Woo! Also, 24 crayons for 1 box. Yep. And then 70 miles per 1 hour. So 70 miles per 1 hour. Yep. All right. So that is it for our vocab. Great job.